Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I really like playing around with the combine tool versus the weld tool on something like this. We're going to make two of them, and I'll just show you the difference. I'm going to take the polygon tools, set on 50 sides, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to get my shape tool, and I'm going to grab one of the nodes, and I'm going to bring it in. And then you can actually take this and kind of twist it. Now we've gotten too skinny where there's really no interior parts. So I'm going to back it up a little bit where there's no little bit thicker lines. So now what we're going to do, we're going to Control D and we're going to mirror it. Now we're going to make a duplicate of that. And this is our original. And I'm going to go up to Object and combine it. Now, combine kind of does to me the opposite of what the weld tool does, because now if we make this burnt orange, where the spaces are normally welded are now like a checkerboard. So if we'll take this exact one here and weld it, we've got like just basically the opposite. Now, the only problem is that I don't like in this because it's going to cover the color of the inside. So I'm going to take an ellipse and put it on the inside. I'll make it a little bit smaller because that color is going to run to the inside and then they won't look anything anywhere near close to the same. But it's all like a sealed up well. So now I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool and I'm just going to click in there and I get that. So it's basically the opposite, where I've got white spaces versus where I have white spaces where the spaces are not. You know, this is all in between the bars and the other ones. So if we look at it with a black box effect, you can kind of see the difference. Now you can play with both these, and if you click on it and get your interactive fill tool and swipe across it, and you can make different colors of the patterns, but it reacts different. It reacts totally different because the yellow, well, it just looks totally different. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this one. We're going to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to Edit, Copy Properties from Fill, and I'm going to click on this and look at the difference. Where this is like yellow and orange lines, where this is, I mean, still got the red outline, but it just, I mean, look at, you know, so the black box right here is what happened, and it's clear. So it's just the opposite, where this welded all together and you have, this is what you're, that's clear, and of course this is clear too. And what I mean by clear, if we take this black and make it a light blue, it's transparent, so you can see through it. Anyway, kind of cool. Hope that helped, and thank you for watching.